In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called Voice Recorder. From Smart Mobi Tools Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now select Accept in the pop-up, tap on red button, click on while using the app, and this way start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on the same red button. If you wish to discard it right away, pause it, hit discard on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to add a bookmark, unpause it and click on the spin icon on the left. Then type in wherever you wish to, or not at all, and hit OK. Lastly, to end and save your recording, tap on this check mark on the right. Then hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To rename it, select those three dots next to its current name. Hit rename. Type in wherever you wish to and choose OK. If you wish to delete it instead, you can hold it. Tap on this bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!